Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Dyson Ball Animal Vacuum Cleaner. We'll explore its design, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design of the Dyson Ball Animal. It's an upright, corded vacuum that boasts a distinctive ball mechanism, which allows the floor head to pivot smoothly. The design is solid and sturdy, typical of Dyson's build quality. However, it is quite bulky and heavy compared to modern cordless vacuums, weighing in at around 17.3 pounds. The vacuum measures approximately 42.2 inches in height and features a sleek, futuristic look with vibrant color options like copper and red. Setting up the Dyson Ball Animal was straightforward. It comes well packaged in recyclable materials, which is a plus for eco-conscious consumers. Assembly involved clicking a few parts together, though attaching the main roller head can be a bit cumbersome due to its weight. Once assembled, it's ready to go with no complicated menus or displays to navigate, just simple on-off switches. Now, let's get to the performance, the most crucial aspect of any vacuum. The Dyson Ball Animal is known for its powerful suction, thanks to a robust 730-watt motor and impressive 290 air watts of suction power. It excels particularly on carpets, pulling out deep-seated dirt and pet hair with ease. The vacuum features multiple filtration systems, making it a hit among allergy sufferers by effectively capturing dust and allergens. In terms of features, the Dyson Ball Animal comes with a range of attachments suited for various cleaning tasks. These include a combination tool, a stair tool, and a quick-release tangle-free turbine tool for dealing with pet hair. The vacuum also includes a telescopic wand and a flexible hose for reaching high and tight spaces. Though some users find the hose a bit stiff and unwieldy, having tested the Dyson Ball Animal in a real-world setting, it's clear that while it offers exceptional suction power and durability, it may not suit everyone's needs. Maneuverability can be challenging, especially in tight spaces. And the corded nature might be a drawback for those accustomed to cordless convenience. So, should you buy the Dyson Ball Animal Vacuum? If you prioritize raw suction power, large bin capacity, and effective carpet cleaning over portability and cordless convenience, then yes, it's a solid choice. However, if maneuverability and noise level are critical factors for you, you might want to consider lighter, cordless alternatives. That wraps up our review of the Dyson Ball Animal Vacuum Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.